It's National Puppy Day!
It's National Puppy Day, so Sky and her friend Wilson thought it was a perfect day to support a cause near and dear to them. Both of these gorgeous dogs were adopted from Second Chance Ranch Rescue. Second Chance is a place for dogs to get another chance at finding a forever home. Second Chance is not your average animal rescue.
The animals that reside here stay a little bit longer because they need a little more training and attention before they can find their perfect animals.
The ranch has a pond for swimming, lots of space to run and play, loving staff and volunteers to care for the animals. It's basically like a dream destination for dogs who otherwise may have had no one or no chance.
One thing the ranch doesn't have right now is outdoor kennels.
With the summer weather approaching, Sky and Wilson both thought it would be a perfect opportunity to try to raise some money for outdoor sunbathing and easy access to potty spots.
Why don't you help these two wonderful dogs and all their new friends by making a donation today?